Hi guys, another bad hair day today. I won't show too much of me yet. I'm suffering a little bit this week. We had both Mrs. Foster and I have had a really bad cold. Had a great visit to Vince on Wednesday. That's when this first started, but I'll just spin you around and show you what's arrived today. There we go. The new shower plumbed in, and on Vince's advice that's been solvent welded. Lucky enough I had the fittings to do it. The pipe was long enough so I didn't have to do anything with it. There's the old one in bits and pieces. The filter mesh has come off that frame because it wouldn't fit in there, but it's in the top now. Just got to rescue our mind your own business, but that's Mrs. Fossil's game. So Vince, if you still want it, I'll clean it up and I'll bring it over to you, mate. You're more than welcome to have it. Anyway, like I said, it's only a very quick one today because I'm not feeling great. Fish are doing great. There's a little pearl down there and the little kinrin. These are doing equally as well. No problems with the pond, just got to sort that out. For those that are interested, there's a mixture of let's see if I can get around here and show you it a little bit. Not quite so high, this one. So there's the filter floss. There's Backy House Media in the bottom one and Alpha Grog in the top ones. All running well, level, as you can see. So, as Andy would say, job's a good one. Put the lid on and away we go. Anyway, from me up the ladder, I will catch you when I'm feeling better. Catch you later.